म्हाका इतलें सांगता की आयज गोंयच्या मॅक्झिमम लोकांक मेजॉरिटी लोकांक सगळ्यांक एक चेंज जाय आनी तो चेंज इतल्या खातीर की BJP गव्हर्मेंटाक नाका नवी गव्हर्मेंटाक येवपा जाय आनी सगळ्यांचे एक लायक मायंडेड लोक जे आसा सगळे एक कडेन येवन गव्हर्मेंट करपाची तो एक विशय आसा आनी ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान आयज आमची कालची आमची मिटींग आयज राहुल गांधी कडेन जाल्ली आसा तातूंतल्यान एक बरें निश्कर्श भायर सरलें आसा आनी तातूंतल्यान आमी अलायन्स ऑन लायक मायंडेड लोकां कडेन केलो हे जे आतां येणारे पळय 2020 इलेक्शन आसा ते इलेक्शन आमी गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करता ना TMCक वारला TMCक आमी जॉयनींग जाल्ले पूण TMC बरोबर आमी एक सपोर्ट दिल्ले एक्चुअली कितें तरी बरें जाता अशें म्हणून पूण ओवरऑल जर विचार करून पळयल्यार सडनली गेल्ले एक मणिपुराच्या हातूंत पळयलें जाल्यार तांचो कॉन्सेप्ट जो आसा तो आमच्या गोंयकाराच्या हातूंत पडपाचो ना खंय तरी वेगळी हें आसा तर आमकां गोंयकारांक गोंय खंय सांबाळटा पळय आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी त्या पद्दतीन फुडें वता प्रसाद गांवकर प्रेजेंटली इन काँग्रेस डिरेक्टर
दिल्लीच्यान परते आयिल्ले आसा कितें डिसिजन जाल्लें आसा एलायन्साचेर बी कितें जाल्लें आसा
एलायन्साचेर जाला म्हणल्यार हे तुमकां बाब दिनेश गुंडूरावान सांगलां तशें जालां की आमचें एलायन्स जाता आनी हें एलायन्स फुडलो गोंयचो सरकार घडयता इतलें म्हणजे तुका आज सांगूंक जाता
कितें सीट शेअरिंगाचेर बी कितें
सीट शेअरिंग हें तें आमी आमच्या लेवलाचेर तें हँडल करता
आनी बाकीचे
How many seats go forward?
हाव मेनी एन ऑल वील हँडल
Okay, how was the meeting with Rahul Gandhi?
very cordial. It is a meeting which has a good future for us, not only for ourselves, but it spells a good future for them. See, we have decided to re-liberate Goa from this Bhrashtachari Janata Party government, and we will achieve it. Jointly. And after this alliance is now happening, more people are likely to join, and we will see a swelling in the ranks, and we will form the government for sure.
Is any BJP leaders in touch?
Yes.
How many?
Course of time, but everybody see the alliance has been taken well by the people. Only persons disturbed by this alliance are the same people who had otherwise approached me to be their face here. So they are the only ones disturbed. They are calling this unholy. Was it holy when they approached me? Was it holy when even the West Bengal Chief Minister said that let's form a federal front of non-Congress, non-BJP parties? At that time that alliance that could be formed, was it a holy alliance? Now it has become unholy after we raised a hand with Rahul Gandhi. So what is wrong with that hand? You know, people of Goa are not fools. You can't fool the people by putting holdings and banners. And if certain parties believe that they are street fighters, there may be street fighters there, they are street fighters here. And street fighters here will only win the battle here. You can't import street fighters from outside and expect to win elections in Goa.
सो आनी खंयच्या पार्टी बरोबर बी कितें डिस्कशन चालू आसा फुडले आनी काँग्रेसीचे आनी खंयच्या पार्टी बरोबर डिस्कशन बी जातलें नितेश मॅम
Congress party is the pivot of the alliance. म्हणजे सेंट्रल पार्टी इज द काँग्रेस पार्टी. सो तांणी तांचे खंयच्या लेवलाचेर चलता आसता आमचे जे कितें चलिल्लें ट्रीप टेप तें आमी फॉर्मलायज केलां आमी राहुल गांधी कडेन उलयता आनी आमकां खात्री आहा की जें कितें जातलें तें सारकें जातलें.
Unceremoniously, he also left you.
Yes, he left. No, but he was not
left,
present in that.
He was not left.
See, Jayesh was told not only that he was sent a boarding pass of a ticket to come yesterday in the morning. He was scheduled to come. He spoke to me. And subsequently he said that there is somebody who died. He was supposedly close to him. And he did not come. Now, the Panjim MLA, yesterday I had seen him on TV, announced that Jayesh is going to join the BJP. बाबूश मनसरात म्हणटा की जयेश BJP जॉईन जाता. आतां बाबूश मनसराताचें म्हणपाक सतीश धोणान लायला आसता हें म्हाका इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा. आतां तो सांगूंक सोदता की बोडगेश्वराचे फुडें सोपूत घेतिल्लो मनीस ते आमी BJP बरोबर केन्नाच खंय वचचे ना. ताका BJPन भितर जाल्यार कांय जावचें ना. हें सर्टिफिकेट कोण दिता? बाबूश मनसरात. तो कसले 100 सोपूत घेवन देवाक खाता दिसान दीस ताका उतरूच ना. तो आमच्या एक आमदाराक एडवायज करता की सोपूत बिपूत गेलो तेल लायक गोंयची जनता केली तेल लायक पॅकेज घ्याल भितर सरली हें म्हाका दिसलें अशें पळोवंक गेलें. So I only hope better sense prevails. But in this time, lot of money, lot of viewer will always be there. We'll have to face it. And regional parties have to face it all the more. कित्याक व्हडल्यो पार्टी आयल्या, तुम्ही पळयला सगळे आयले ते 3 म्हयन्यांनी गोंय जिखूंक शकता. ताका गोंयचे खंयचे नॉर्थ गोवा खंयचे सावथ गोवा कांय कळना आनी ते आयले हांगा आनी गोंयची नवी सकाळ असले खूब येतले. पूण अजून एक बरें एक दिसता म्हणटा तें अशें ह्या दिसांनी BJP TMCचेर कांय उलयना आनी TMC आमचेर उलयता. ताजेर कळपाची कितें
There are some leaders who were disappointed
Who are these leaders?
from NCP and all that. They were
The
also.
NCP, I am not going to speak about NCP because NCP is a topic which the Congress should discuss. I am not leading the alliance. I am just one of the persons who is going to be part of this alliance.
सर पण
And
अलायन्स
the pivot of this alliance is the Congress party. The Congress has to answer on that.
तर जेन्ना तुम्ही अलायन्साक भायर सरले एक सर्जिकल स्ट्रायक कसो कोणाक सांगनासतना थोड्या लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्स दिवनासतना तुम्ही डिसिजन घेतल्याचे
कोण लढायला लोक?
तुमकां आमचे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंटाक इन्फॉर्म केल्लें गोंयचे काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंटाक गिरीश
काँग्रेस
काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट आमचो
हांव म्हज्या पार्टीचे पडले हांवें म्हज्या लोकांक कोणाक इन्फॉर्म केलें दुसऱ्या पार्टीचे म्हज्यान आन्सर दिवंक जायना. हांव तुका इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां हांव जे काँग्रेसी कडेन उलयतालो ते उघडपणान उलयना लिपून कांय करूंक ना. This is not something which is a fly-by-night operation. It is a very clear-cut alliance of minds and then of hearts of the people of India. लोकांक हे alliance जाय. इतलेंच न्ही लोकांक एक ओवरऑल सेंटिमेंट आसा की जे सिरियस आहा BJP उलोवपाक त्या लोकांनी एक जावपाची गरज आहा. हे टीम गोवा म्हणटा तो कन्सेप्ट हांव इतले तेंप उलयत आशिल्लें म्हाका दिसता आज टीम गोवा हें आमचें सपन साकार जाल्लें. I have only seen the reaction from Mr. Kallu Sadnika, which advises the BJP to take action. Otherwise, it will have impact in 5 states. I also have just read now that there is in the core committee also there is a dispute. But I have seen another BJP MLA defending this that there is nothing in this. So BJP is corrupt morally also. It is a party of rapists now. It was a party of a ganja party. स्वयंपूर्ण करपा खातीर गोंय गांजा रोवा घालपी हो मुख्यमंत्री ताचे बरोबर असले आसतलेच मॉलेस्टर आसतले रेपिस्ट आसतले आनी उरला कितें इट इज अ पार्टी वेर मनोहर पर्रीकर सन डजंट फायंड अ चान्स अ पर्सन हू इस्टॅब्लिश दॅट पार्टी इन गोवा हिज सन डजंट गेट अ चान्स टू रिप्रेझेंट दिस पार्टी दीस इज अ सॅड स्टेट ऑफ द पार्टी आनी हे पक्षा कडच्या अंदर आमी सुटका दिली ना गोंयकारांक जाल्यार आमी सगळ्यांत व्हडलो अन्याय गोंयकारांचेर करता and the blame until whatever MGP is saying is not wrong. MGP was one of the parties that initially formed the government in 2017. The MGP leader has been unceremoniously sacked. He must be having self-respect. It is the oldest regional party in Goa. I am the youngest regional party in Goa. So, old and young, we both have self-respect. गोंयचो स्वाभिमान गोंयकाराचो स्वाभिमान हो सगळ्यात पोरणी रिजनल पार्टीकूय आसतलो आनी नवे रिजनल पार्टीकूय आसतलो. आमकां उगीच हायर एंड फायर सिस्टम न्ही हो. इट इज नॉट सिकींग एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इट इज अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स एंड पॉलिटिक्स इज द आर्ट ऑफ द पॉसिबल.